Good morning students, welcome to the class. So students, today I am going to teach you chapter number 3, cleanliness. Okay, so what is basically cleanliness? Being clean or keeping things clean, that is स्वच्छता या सफाई को cleanliness कहते हैं. Okay, so cleanliness means that there is no dirt, no dust, no stains, no bad smells. The goals of a cleanliness are healthy, beauty, to avoid the spreading of dirt. Why cleanliness is so important in our life? Because it gives rise to a good character by keeping body, mind and soul clean and peaceful. Keeping your home clean and engaging in the cleaning process is good for you. In fact, research shows that cleanliness can have direct impact on our mental health. A clean home also impact your physical health as well as the mental health. Okay, people with clean houses tend to be more healthier and fit also than those who live in a messy and a cluttered home. Okay, so it's written cleanliness is the act of keeping our body, mind, dress, home, surroundings and other works area neat and clean. Cleanliness of the body is very necessary for our physical and mental health. Cleanliness of the surroundings, areas and environment is very necessary for the social and intellectual health also. We should bring cleanliness to our habits and remove dirty forever from everywhere, as dirt is a mother which gives birth to virus or various diseases. It gives diarrhea, malaria. This is all because if there is a place which is not clean, one also suffers health disorder if he or she does not take bath daily, wears dirty clothes, keep house and surroundings dirty. Dirty things in the surroundings area or home gives rise to the various diseases causing germs, bacteria, virus and fungus. Throwing garbage all over the place will not only dirty our surroundings and pollute the environment, making it very unhygienic, but also causes so many diseases. It encourages the infestations of cockroaches, flies and other insects. There are various diseases caused due to poor maintenance of the hygienic conditions. It causes so many diseases. We must maintain the cleanliness of our bodies, homes, buildings, surroundings, environments to have a good health. People having dirty habits also become the reason of spreading dangerous and fatal, means life-threatening diseases. Infectious diseases are spread to vast areas and make people ill and sometimes causes death. So we should take care of our cleanliness on regular basis. We should wash hands thoroughly with soap whenever we eat something. We should always keep our face and whole body neat and clean. You all have heard about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, right? What was that? It was initiated by Government of India to eliminate open defecation and improve solid waste. And what was the slogan of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? One step towards cleanliness. अगर हम साफ सफाई नहीं रखेंगे, अपने एरियाज को साफ नहीं रखेंगे, खुद को साफ नहीं रखेंगे, तो इट कॉजेज सो मेनी डिजीजेस. गंदगी से बीमारियां आती हैं. We should clean our clothes, we should clean our surroundings, we should clean our nails, we should wash our hands before eating, after eating. We should always wash our hands thoroughly by soap, with soap. so that we can avoid the risk. Dangerous and fatal diseases, infectious diseases are spread. Why? If we are dirty, it causes infectious diseases are spread to vast areas, make people ill also, and sometimes causes death. We should take care of our clothes and only wear washed, clean clothes for our physical and mental health. Cleanliness also improves the confidence level and self-respect, well as gains respect from others. It makes us feel proud in the society. Cleanliness is very, very important to maintain our healthy lifestyle and standard of living also. It's very important. Various programs and civil laws have been run and implemented by the Government of India in order to promote the awareness about cleanliness among common people of India. We all should acquire the clean habits from our childhood itself and follow them throughout the life. Dirt gives rise to the moral evils, however, give rise to the moral purity. A person with clean habits can destroy his or him evils during desires and dirty thoughts very easily. We should take care about the wastage of our daily lives and put them only in the dustbin and the proper disposal and prevent infections spreading in the home or surroundings. So it's written over here, if we have to put the our disposable things or our wrappers, our anything, papers, so we never spread them in the house. We should keep all the garbage where? In the dustbin. We should use dustbin in our home also, as well as in our neighborhood also. We should take care about the wastage of our daily lives. We should take care of our wastage. हमें कहीं भी उसे उठाकर फेंक नहीं देना चाहिए. We should keep our wastage in the dustbin. Cleanliness is not the responsibility of one person. सफाई जो है सिर्फ एक आदमी का, एक इंडिविजुअल का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, एक इंडिविजुअल आदमी का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है, ये सब लोगों की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. Each and every individual is living in the home, society, community and country. We should understand its multifarious facets to fully get benefited. We all should take a cleanliness oath that we will never have dirty habits and never see anyone spreading dirt. अगर आप किसी को गंदगी फैलाते हुए देखते हो तो just stop them to spread the dirt. Stop them. Just tell them to keep all the wastage in the dustbin. उससे हमारा एरिया, हमारी कम्युनिटी, हमारी सोसाइटी, हमारा कंट्री सब साफ रहेगा. सो वी शुड टेक केयर ऑफ आवर क्लीनलीनेस. Cleanliness means that there is no dirt, no dust, no stains, no bad smells, nothing. Cleanliness also improves our health. Cleanliness also improves the confidence level. It makes us feel proud in the society. Cleanliness is very important to maintain our healthy lifestyle and standards of living. Various programs and civil laws have been run and implemented by the Government of India in order to promote an awareness about the cleanliness among the common people of India. We should take care about the wastage of our daily routine and put them into dustbin. So that dustbin for proper disposal and prevent infections from the spreading in the home or surroundings. So in this chapter we came to know that cleanliness is very important for our health, for our mental health, for our physical health, for our society, for our community, for our country, for our neighbors. Cleanliness is important for each and every one. Cleanliness is the act of keeping our body, our mind, our dress, home, surroundings, community, country, the body clean. Cleanliness of the body very necessary for our physical as well as our mental health. Cleanliness of the surroundings, areas and environment is very necessary for the social and intellectual health. Means physical health is also, mental health is also, intellectual health is also. We should bring cleanliness to our habits and remove dirt forever from everywhere, as the dirt is the mother of what? Is the mother which gives the birth to various diseases. One always suffer from health disorder. If he or she does not take bath on daily, wear dirty clothes, keep house and surroundings dirty, etc. Dirty things in the surrounding areas or homes give rise to the various diseases, causing germs, causing bacteria, causing virus, causing fungus. So we should keep our body clean, neat and clean, so that we should avoid the risk of diseases. We should keep our surroundings clean, we should keep our body clean, we should keep our mind clean, we should keep our country clean, neighbors clean. So cleanliness is very, very important in our life. So student, this is all about the chapter cleanliness. Read this chapter, it's very important, and just write down the hard words and their meanings in your copy. Okay. So in the next class, we'll try to solve the fill in the blanks and the question and answer of this chapter. Okay students, so just go through this chapter, read it carefully, each word carefully. Try to pronounce it correctly. And if you find any problem in the next class, we will discuss and try to solve that problem. Okay students, till then, take care.